Metaphysics. Metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that studies the nature of reality and existence. It focuses on understanding what exists and what it means for something to exist. This branch asks some of the deepest questions humans can imagine. It explores whether reality is only physical or whether there are things beyond the physical world. It also asks whether humans truly have free will, what time and space really are, and why anything exists at all. Metaphysics examines concepts such as being, identity, causality, possibility, and the structure of reality itself. When philosophers debate whether reality exists independently of our minds, or whether everything that happens is predetermined, they are engaging in metaphysical thinking. At its core, metaphysics seeks to understand the ultimate nature of existence. Epistemology. Epistemology is the branch of philosophy concerned with knowledge and belief. It examines how humans acquire knowledge and how we can determine whether something is true. This branch asks questions such as what knowledge actually is, how we know what we know, and whether our senses can be trusted. Epistemology explores the sources of knowledge, including perception, reasoning, memory, and experience. It also studies skepticism, which questions whether certainty is ever truly possible. For example, when someone claims to know something, epistemology asks what evidence supports that claim and whether the belief is justified. Its goal is to help us understand the nature, limits, and reliability of human knowledge. Logic is the branch of philosophy that studies correct reasoning. It focuses on the principles that allow us to distinguish between valid arguments and flawed reasoning. Logic asks what makes an argument sound, how conclusions should follow from evidence, and how reasoning errors can be identified. This branch provides systems and rules for analyzing arguments. It helps people think clearly, avoid fallacies, and evaluate claims critically. For example, if someone makes a conclusion based on weak evidence or false assumptions, logic helps reveal the flaw in that reasoning. Logic is essential because it forms the foundation of rational thought. Ethics, also known as moral philosophy, is the branch of philosophy that studies right and wrong behavior. It examines what makes actions morally good or bad and how people should behave. Ethics asks questions such as, what is the right thing to do? Whether universal moral principles exist, and what responsibilities people have toward one another. This branch explores values such as honesty, justice, fairness, compassion, and responsibility. Ethics is often applied to real-life situations, such as deciding whether lying is ever acceptable or how resources should be distributed fairly. Its purpose is to guide human behavior and help people make moral decisions. Aesthetics. Aesthetics is the branch of philosophy concerned with beauty, art, and taste. It examines what makes something beautiful or artistically valuable. This branch asks whether beauty is objective or subjective, what makes art meaningful, and why humans respond emotionally to artistic expression. Aesthetics explores all forms of art, including painting, music, literature, architecture, film, and design. For example, when people debate whether a certain artwork is truly beautiful or whether modern abstract art has meaning, they are engaging in aesthetic philosophy. Its purpose is to understand the nature of beauty and artistic experience. Political philosophy. Political philosophy is the branch of philosophy that studies government, justice, authority, and society. It explores how society should be organized and what makes political systems legitimate. This branch asks questions such as what justice is, what rights individuals should have, and what the ideal form of government looks like. Political philosophy examines concepts like freedom, equality, law, power, and democracy. It also considers the relationship between individuals and the state. For example, debates about freedom of speech, social equality, and government authority are all part of political philosophy. Its goal is to understand how human societies can be governed fairly and effectively. Philosophy of mind. Philosophy of mind studies consciousness, thought, and mental experience. It examines the relationship between the mind and the body. This branch asks questions such as what consciousness is, how thoughts are formed, and whether the mind is separate from the brain. It explores topics such as self-awareness, perception, emotions, memory, and intelligence. One of its major concerns is understanding whether mental states can be fully explained through physical processes. It also examines whether machines could ever truly think or become conscious. Its purpose is to understand the nature of the human mind. Philosophy of language. Philosophy of language studies meaning, communication, and how language relates to reality. It examines how words represent ideas and how meaning is created. This branch asks questions such as how language gains meaning, whether words can perfectly describe reality, and how communication shapes understanding. It studies concepts like reference, interpretation, symbols, and linguistic structure. For example, when philosophers debate the meaning of words like justice, truth, or freedom, they are engaging in philosophy of language. Its purpose is to understand how language influences thought and communication. Philosophy of science. Philosophy of science examines the methods, assumptions, and limits of scientific knowledge. It studies how science works and what makes scientific inquiry reliable. This branch asks questions such as what qualifies as science, how scientific theories are tested, and whether science can explain everything. It explores experimentation, observation, evidence, and the structure of scientific explanation. Philosophy of science also examines the difference between science and pseudoscience. Its goal is to better understand the foundations of scientific knowledge. Philosophy of religion. Philosophy of religion is the branch of philosophy that examines religious beliefs through reason and analysis. It explores questions about God, faith, spirituality, and religious experience. This branch asks whether God exists, why suffering exists, and how faith relates to reason. It also examines concepts such as miracles, divine nature, life after death, and the meaning of religious belief. Rather than relying only on faith, philosophy of religion analyzes these questions logically and critically. Its purpose is to explore humanity's deepest spiritual questions.